The EDI tutorial will address how to set up an insurance carrier for EDI for Link, Safelite, Quest, and the other carriers Quest is able to send invoices electronically, how to create and save an invoice for EDI, sending EDI invoices, viewing your messages, how to edit a rejected invoice, and how to resend an invoice electronically. You will first need to set up an insurance carrier and attach the Quest EDI carrier number to the account. Click on Maintenance, Accounts, Customers. Enter in a code for the insurance carrier. We suggest an abbreviation of their name. At Customer Type from the drop-down select Insurance Carrier. Enter in the name, email, contact, address, and phone numbers for the insurance carrier. Click on the Finance/Tax tab, enter in a tax group and category. Click on the three dots icon to do a lookup. Next, click on the Autoglass tab. Click on the magnifying glass icon beside billing code. We will be adding this insurance carrier billing. Click on the wizard icon at the top of the screen. The billing code wizard will begin. Click on Next, enter in a billing code. We suggest an abbreviation of the insurance company's name and the description. Click on Next. Leave this box unchecked and click Next. Insurance companies will always use the NAGS list price. Leave the defaults checked and click Next. Insurance carriers will give a percentage off the NAGS list price. In this example, if the discount is 85% off of NAGS, then we would enter in the multiplier of 15%. Click on Next once you've entered that. Enter in your kit prices and click Next. Enter in your labor rates. You can enter a flat, hourly, or a combination. For this example, we'll be doing a flat labor rate. Click Next. Enter in your labor rate for windshield and tempered. For your repairs, select if they will be considered your labor and then enter in your rates. For your windshield repairs, cracks, and headlamp repair, click Next. And then click on Finish. You will be back at the billing code entry screen and the data just entered will populate the billing code fields. Click on Save. You will now return back to the insurance carrier entry screen. Click on the three dots icon beside billing code to do a lookup and select the billing code that was just entered to attach to the account. Click on the EDI tab. Click beside EDI to put a check mark. Enter the carrier number for the insurance company. Click on the three dots icon to look up the carrier number. For this example, the carrier number is 140 for links. Click on Save. This section will further explain EDI carrier numbers. The EDI carrier number will be determined by the insurance company who is dispatching the claim. You are able to EDI Link, Safelite, Quest, Teleglass, Commerce, and Harman Solution Group. For links, the carrier number is always 140. Enter the link's dispatch number under the claim number field on the Insurance tab of the Autoglass quote screen. For Safelite, the carrier number will be determined by the Safelite ID number, which will be noted on the email or fax received from Safelite. Reference this ID number to the Quest carrier list. Enter the Safelite referral number in the claim number field on the Insurance tab from the Autoglass quote screen. Here is an example of the Safelite job referral. The red arrow areas highlight the referral number, Safelite ID number, and your pricing rates. This is a reference for the Safelite ID number and the Quest carrier number. If you would like a copy, please contact tech@questsoftware.com and we can fax you the cross-reference guide. Quest will dispatch auto owners Hastings, Secura, Pioneer, Concord, and PEMCO. Please refer to this for the correct Quest carrier number. Enter the control number under the claim number field on the Autoglass quote screen. EDI is also available with Teleglass carrier number 177, Commerce number 178, and Harman Solution Group number 181. If you have questions, please contact technical support at tech@questsoftware.com. To create an invoice for EDI, click on the Auto Glass quote on the left-hand side of your screen from the Quick Launch sidebar. Click on the Vehicle tab, select a year, make, and model and body style. For this example, we were looking up a 2010 Ford F-150 Super Cab pickup. Double-click on the glass, and then select the kit. The part will now be queried from your vendors and return the availability and your cost. Enter in the VIN for the vehicle. This is a required field for EDI. Click on the General tab. At Customer, enter in the insured's phone number for their account number. You will be prompted if you want to add the account. Click Yes. The customer type is individual. Enter the insured's name, address, and phone numbers. Click on Save. At the Bill to, click on the three dots icon to look up insurance carriers. Double-click on State Farm to select. Click on the Insurance tab. Enter in the insured's deductible and claim number. The claim number is required for EDI. Note that the invoice is being sent EDI and the correct EDI carrier number is displayed. Click on the General tab. At Document Type from the drop-down, select Invoice. Then click on Save. Enter in a payment if needed, and click on Order to order the glass. To send EDI invoices, click on EDI Invoice Maintenance. This report will list EDI invoices by status. Those flagged A are ready to send to Quest. X out of the screen. To send, click on EDI, Send and Receive Data. Click on the View Report icon. This will list all invoices to be sent to Quest. Click on Close to exit the report. Click on the Send icon. This will create and send a transmission file to Quest. You will be able to view the FTP log file. Click on X to exit from the EDI Send and Receive Data window. Click on the EDI Invoice Maintenance. Those invoices that were flagged as A will now have a status of C received by Quest. Click on X to exit. Viewing your EDI messages and then resubmitting a rejected invoice. Click on EDI and View Messages. Any new messages will be displayed. Click on the down arrow to scroll through your invoices. There will be a message if the invoice was accepted or rejected. If rejected, there will be a message detailing why the invoice was rejected. Examples of rejection are incorrect glass discount, labor or kit price was incorrect, click on X to close the screen. To make changes to an invoice, click on Utilities, Invoice File, Edit Invoice. Click on the three dots icon to look up the invoice. Find the invoice, highlight, and click OK. The invoice number will be displayed. Enter in a reason for the invoice being edited or changed. Click on the Edit Invoice icon at the top of the window. The invoice screen will be displayed with all the invoice information and line items. In this example, we will be correcting the glass and labor amounts. Click on the Amount column and enter in the correct amount. Click on Save. Click on X to close out the Edit Invoice screen. Then click on EDI, Send and Receive Data. Click on the View Report icon. The updated, corrected invoice will be listed. Click on the Send to send the invoice. The invoice will be sent. This concludes this tutorial. If you have any additional questions, please contact technical support at questsoftware.com.